We have export of $4.44 billion. And how we see, we integrated ourselves to the international community. Like as a Prigmia, we are part of United Nations Climate Action Plan, and we are the supporting body there. I'm also member of the sourcing council from the supplier side with the Apparel Impact Institute. Apparel Impact Institute got the $2 billion fund, which means they have funding from all the fashion brands like H&M Foundation, Zara Inditex, Nike, Adidas, Ralph Lauren, and everyone. Similarly, in Europe, if we are working with IAF, that is the International Apparel Federation, and ITMF, that is the International Textile Manufacturer Association Federation, that we are working with that, and they have created a platform called Apparel and Textile Transformation Initiative called ATTI. So we are going into an agreement on decarbonization studies in Pakistan. So this all clubs, at the factory floor. The guy from Nika, when they talk about fan efficiency, they talk about the consumer we have, and we got 88 million fans in 80 kilowatt category. What we have, the production, we did the reverse calculation. We have a production of roughly 6 to 8 million fans per annum. Look how we see the problem. We see this problem like, our major contribution goes towards the import of the fossil fuel. So we have to be fast, by this maths. If we want to change the fans in the country, that means we need at least 10 years to convert all these fans. Even the whole production is not energy efficient. They are not 30 watt or 25 watt fans. They are 80 watts fan. Only 20 to 30% production has been shifted to there. Similarly, when we divide all these emissions, we take it into Scope 1, Scope 2, and Scope 3 emissions. So, when we talk about transportation, that is the fossil fuel. And we have a, study there on the biofuel, because, all the vegetable oil is through the esterification is transferred into the biofuel. But there is a bottleneck because every, SBTI requires a certification of the renewable energy or any fuel. So we don't have at the AGRA level, all these intervention already been addressed, is not being done. So we need regulatory framework. What we have, we got few solutions in line, like if you see 25% surge in the solar energy, that is one contribution. And the compliance based solutions at the factory floor at the Prigmia. We are a bit organized in a formation, because we got a full-time employees who are working in the field of sustainability. We address circularity, we address decarbonization, we address digitalization, and we address the compliances. And National Compliance Center is one of our key partner in this, because we are aligning all these things and the all international requirements through National Compliance Centers and other agencies like GIZ. And for the supply chain, major thing is again life cycle assessment. So we have recently conducted under the British Council program, the life cycle. The program is called the PACT, and that gives information on a specific product from a specific factory. So we got one factory from Sialkot and 4 factories from Lahore. We initiated that. We developed that product. So these are the contributions what we are working right now, and we have initiated many things, and we are progressive in this nature.